So once you get those additional ancillary inspections in your basket of services, right? What do? When you have a big menu of services, big deal, now what? Well, you have to use those certification logos, those additional qualifications and certification logos. Where do you find all those logos to use them? Well, you have to download them from our logos page, and then you upload them into your marketing, which is what? Your flyers, your business card, your website, things like that. So check out all of the InterNACHI Inspector certification logos at this link. Let's go there now. Certification logos for your inspection business. Now you have to be a CPI to use these logos. Even the InterNACHI organization logo, we don't allow just members to use our InterNACHI logo in order to not confuse the consumer. So the general public doesn't want to be confused. Are you a member of an association or a society? What does that mean? It doesn't mean anything. All it means is you're a member of a group. So you can't get on any search engine with InterNACHI. You can't use any logos with InterNACHI. Not even the InterNACHI logo. You're not even allowed to use it. So you have to be a certified inspector to use a logo. You have to be a certified home inspector, CPI, in order to use any additional logos. So there's our logos here. And you can, as a member who is certified, as a current member who's certified, you can use any of these logos. And there's a ton of logos. Let me show you how many logos. So you grab this thing and you go down. There are more logos than you can imagine. So that's where you find the logos. And then let's say you found a logo, right? And you qualify to use the logo by taking the training course or something. Upload the logo to your inspection site. You don't have a website? Well, I showed you how to start a free one, right? Using templates and dragging and dropping. It's kind of fun. But in this masterclass, we're going to go through how to build in detail, how to build a website. We're going to get you building one in this checklist class, this masterclass. If you have to get you absolutely, it's not an if, you have to get your business online with a modern looking website that converts website visitors, people who visit your website, and convert them into clients. So go to our logos page and scroll down those logos and get inspired to start getting trained and certified and using those certification logos in your website.